Hello, everybody. Namaste. First of all, wishing you all a very healthy and a blessed 2021. We are back with a DIY makeover of an old tray and four coasters that you see with the help of decoupage and with a crackle effect. For this, we need four MDF coasters and an old tray that you have at home. First, we are going to apply primer, any water-based primer or gesso over all the surfaces. Then we are going to color them with the chalk paint, white chalk paint. This is the crackle medium that we are going to use today. This is one step crackle medium and this beautiful veggie print decoupage napkin on the tray and the coasters. Crackle medium is a medium that gives the crackle in between two layers. So we need a darker layer. Since the napkin has green highlighted, I've painted the tray and the coasters with sap green. Then we use the crackle medium. I have already used the crackle medium over the tray and the coasters and kept it for drying for 24 hours overnight. Then we are going to apply the lighter color, that is white, over the tray and the coasters. So while I am applying this, you see the cracks emerge. You need to give a nice even and thick coat of paint. So wherever I have used thick color, you see that the cracks are more prominent. So once we have the tray and the coasters ready with the paint, so now you see that the cracks are appearing. So don't fuss over the unevenness of the color. This all is going to be subdued with the napkin that we are going to mount onto the tray and the coasters. So you see that the cracks here have appeared beautifully on areas where I have used a thick coat. Now we are going to be preparing the napkin for mounting, and we are going to tear it off with our hand, and you can also use a wet brush to outline wherever you want to tear off. So in this way, we're just going to prepare all the patterns that we are going to need for mounting on the tray as well as the coasters. Then we are going to start mounting our napkin by peeling off the plies or the layers of the napkin, taking only the uppermost layer. With the help of decoupage glue, we are going to stick them down onto the coasters in this way. You just have to be very careful as these napkins are extremely thin. They tend to tear off very easily. So taking just small sections of the paper, we're going to stick them down onto the coasters. Crackle effect is extremely easy to do with the help of the one-step crackle medium. As we saw that just an even coat of a good amount of crackle medium in between the darker layer and the lighter layer gives you these crackles, and they look good over any project. So now I'll just apply the glue everywhere onto the napkin that has to be stuck onto the coaster, and in this way, whatever pattern you want to mount, you just tear off accordingly, and it just blends very well into the surface. Since the napkins are so thin that you don't see any unevenness here, they just blend very well onto the surface. So all our four coasters are almost ready. You see this particular coaster has got beautiful cracks. So wherever there are cracks beautifully emerged, we are going to leave that part, and the rest of the part you can just apply the napkin. And even after you have applied the napkin, you see that the lower cracks are seen through because the napkin is so thin. You see that the tray also has got a beautiful crackle effect. We are going to use the napkin in this way. So I'll just start applying glue and sticking the napkin down onto the tray. So you see that the print looks beautiful on this tray, and the crack that are seen are also highlighting the whole project beautifully. So we will just apply the glue everywhere, check for all the edges that they have fastened down very well, and while you are just sticking them down, a dry brush over the napkin will help it blend down completely. So our project is almost done now with the coaster and the tray with this beautiful print and the cracks beautifully seen. Just to highlight it, I have given a red color outline, and that has really made the project more beautiful. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked it. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you again. God bless.